Wouldn't it be great to search for health solutions without spending countless hours sifting through blogs and videos? Well, now you can. This is Mark. Mark lives in a small town north of Sydney. His 75-year-old father, Peter, who lives close by, was diagnosed with IBS 6 months ago. After multiple trips to their local GP, Mark and his dad were struggling to find ways to manage. Mark turned to the internet for more global ideas. Spending hours researching possibilities, he discovered a site where all the searching was done for him. He could simply search IBS and get advice and information immediately. Access from verified doctors, nutritionists, and alternative therapists from around the world. This is how it works. 1. Search your health concern. 2. Filter by videos or publications. 3. Scroll down and see all related videos and publications ready for you to learn. Now, Mark and Peter can spend time viewing verified videos and reading information that can help them manage and improve. No having to search countless websites. No checking if the advice is trustworthy. Save time and learn more to help others. Let's get you verified information to take control of your health without spending countless hours in the unknown. Spend more time enjoying life and applying what you learn. To pre-order, sign up below. Take control of yourself and start acquiring truly valuable information from around the world. Love your own body.